Hello friends, this video focuses on the top 5 best portable blender of 2023. Through massive research and analysis, I've compiled a list of options available based on their features, quality, prices, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, I've covered different options for every type of customer. Further, I've provided updated links for the best prices in the description box below. Please watch the video, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. At the 5th position of our list, we have Go, known as the best high-performing portable blender available in 2023. When it comes to space-saving portability, the Go is hard to beat. The entire unit takes up minimal space in daypacks, gym bags, and luggage. The blending cup itself fits in the palm of your hand, and the lids also feature an extra security strap. During our drop test, the tiny cup held up remarkably well, showing no signs of damage or leaking. We were also highly impressed by the battery life of this mighty little blender. After a single charge, it had one of the longest blend times in our fleet. It may be small, but the compact cup offers exceptional portability. With excellent portability comes less than ideal blending performance, though it is still above average. During testing, we had an annoying banana slice the blades just couldn't manage to tackle. With some persistence and patience, we pulverized that one lingering piece after 4 blends. For those who don't use bananas in their smoothie, this won't be an issue. In fact, we found this model to be one of the better options for blending frozen fruit. Considering the long battery life, it's worth the extra minute or two. Moving on to the 4th position, we have Pop Babies Portable as the best bang for the buck in 2023. The Pop Babies Portable offers remarkable portability and is one of our favorites for this reason. This blender incorporates numerous mobile features that are convenient and user-friendly. The sturdy handle offers a solid grip, while the detachable jar lets you drink without the motor base attached. The bold measurement lines indicate both ounces and milliliters, making it easier to avoid overfilling. Meanwhile, the push-start button is easy to operate. Blend smoothies, juices, or your morning protein shake in seconds. You can even crush ice as long as you use tiny cubes from the included tray. However, this model is not without flaws. First, you can't detach the blade from the cup. This isn't too much of an issue considering you'll never lose the blade, as long as you don't lose the cup. Second, the bottle is hard to clean. You can solve this issue by flushing it with water as soon as you're done with your beverage. Ignore the mess for hours and it will require a brush to remove the gunk inside. As long as you're more diligent with cleaning, the convenient design has much to offer for those on the go. The number 3 position is held by Blender X Cordless as the best for outdoor gathering option available in 2023. For those who want a portable blender that can do more, the Blender X Cordless is right up your alley. This is by far the most powerful blender tested, dominating at crushing ice and slicing through frozen fruit with ease. We dig that the larger bottle capacity allows you to produce bigger batches of frozen drinks. This is ideal for gatherings with friends, wherever that may be. The biggest setback is the price point. You can easily find a standard blender offering equal performance at a better price. And, with greater power also comes a heavier, bulkier unit. To circumvent the size, the manufacturer is tossed in a custom sling-style dry bag. The Blender X is best for those who don't mind sparing the extra expense for a portable blender that doesn't struggle with crushing ice. Next, at number 2, we have Cuisinart Evolution X Compact, the best premium option available in 2023. The sleek design of the Cuisinart Evolution X Compact is much akin to a bullet blender with 2 exceptions. It features a push-start button and has the option of cordless blending. The powerful motor crushes ice and pulverizes spinach. With the installation of the flip-top lid, the cup goes from blender to travel cup, with the option of leaving the motor base behind, a perk for anyone who wants to eliminate extra bulk and weight. In comparison to most portable blenders, this is the closest you'll get to standard blender performance. The trade-off for powerful performance is space. The combination of the blending cup and motor base takes up some real estate. If you want to blend and go, this model is an excellent choice. If you want to travel with the entire unit daily, another option may suit you better. The Evolution X is best for those who want to skip the hassle of tediously slicing up frozen fruit and plan on leaving the motor base behind. Finally, the number 1 position is dominated by Legal Bravo, known as the best overall portable blender available in 2023. If you want a reliable rechargeable blender you can take anywhere, look no further than the Legal Bravo. The blending performance and unmatchable durability make it our top recommendation. It is the only blender we tested with an IPX7 waterproof rating. After fully submerging the blender in water for 30 minutes, we validated this claim as it sliced through frozen fruit without a hiccup. It also proved to be one of the more powerful blenders, achieving a desirable smoothie consistency faster than most other models. Although portable, the Legal is rather tall. Those with very low-hanging kitchen cupboards or constraints on pack space may find the height problematic. Height aside, the only other real gripe we have is the small-sized mouth on the blending bottle. It's very narrow, which makes it harder to load ingredients. However, this is a nice safety feature for those with curious little tykes. If you can swing a few extra bucks, the Legal is a fine choice for anyone who wants durability, reliability, and portability all in one appliance. That's all for today regarding our top 5 picks of best portable blenders of 2023. We upload Amazon product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest video notification.